Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to hide mentions on your Instagram story. So let's go to the plus sign. Let's add a story right here. And yeah, let's just add a story right here. Let's, make a screenshot or make a photo. And then what we can do is go here, add a mention, right? For example, like that. We can click on it. And right now what we can do is we can minimize the mention, and what we can do is we can try and get it over right here. As you can see, we already did it in some way, right? So that's the first way how to do it, right? Now the second way how to do it is, let's say we have another mention right here, again, the same mention. So what you can do is go to the sticker, and what you can do is, for example, you can add a, for example, a sticker right here, and you can add it behind a mention, right? Now people don't know that you actually mentioned them. You can also do this with other stickers. For example, if you go this, and if we go here, we go to the poll, we can add a poll behind a mention, as you can see right here, and that will also basically hide mention on Instagram story. Now you can do this with any sticker right here, with link as well, with for example, emojis, as you can see. So yeah, it's pretty much a universal for everything. So that's pretty much the two ways on how to hide mentions on Instagram story. If you found this video useful, leave a like down below, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.